We have some good news. Did you turn it on?
Yeah, it on. It is on.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I thought it's automatic.
You see the green light there. Hey
Now
guys.
it's on.
Mic testing 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
We have some exciting news to share.
Do we?
Don't we?
Maybe.
So, do you want to break the news?
What's the news? So walk me through the day. What did you do today?
That we have finalized the wedding venue.
We have seen the wedding venue. It's first day. First impression.
I love it, guys.
First
I think
2
for
hours,
me-
I think. We are
this is it.
just outside the venue.
Looking. We have a tasting menu as well.
Coming up at 5 p.m. in 3 hours.
Yeah, we are actually very excited about that as well. It's a sunny day,
Yeah.
so it will be nicer, you know.
What's your first impression about the venue?
Grandeur.
So
What
did
about you?
I make a good choice?
Yes, you did. Congratulations.
Me, I really like it. I wasn't expecting maybe the size of this because in pictures and Instagram it looks different. Also, I was expected to be a lot older than it is. Obviously, it is
older,
very
right?
old, but inside is very kind of new looks.
No, I mean, so
Renovated.
they have renovated the rooms, but the actual architecture of the ancient times, which is around what 16th century, I
I
would
don't know,
say.
it's like 1,000 years old.
1,000 years old. Is
Anyway,
still there.
Story about the venue at that later point. Now
We're
you just
gonna
want to
see, like,
give.
2 more venues tomorrow and day after. But for me, I think I'm just stumbled upon this one.
Yeah, most probably.
So that would be it, because the other two are like very villa kind of thing with
Different.
Tuscany kind of trees and like different, you know,
Yeah,
like intimate wedding, I would say.
yeah.
And this like very like Indian as well. You can consider like a Victorian style a bit. And
So funny, people who are passing by thinking, what the fuck are they doing?
who are they in my city? And
Yeah.
so this place was actually closed for like good 20 years. They don't want to admit this, but
No. History about the venue later. Okay?
yeah, maybe we don't finalize this venue. So yeah,
We talk about the venue later.
we talk about the venue later. But yeah, we are just sitting at the first venue. We rented a car, drive through, nice atmosphere. Now we are just gonna get ready, and
And that's it.
it's hitting, guys. It's like TikTok. We're
Okay.
getting married.
Chalo, bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Subscribe. Tell them you need to subscribe.
Don't subscribe, just follow. Don't subscribe, you're gonna make me very famous and I'm gonna struggle with the fame. So hard. It's gonna be so hard to be.
He doesn't know. He is already famous, guys.
Okay, bye.
Subscribe. Channel to my welcome.
Channel to my work. Let's go for a walk.
Hey guys, so we are just here for the morning walk. So we had like 2 venues to have a look at. What is that behind? I just wanted to see and make sure. Yeah. So we have 2 venues to see, and we just told them to one we are going and the other one is really far away and we are driving here, so it's not gonna be possible because tomorrow morning we are gonna be leaving for Rome and we are gonna just go around and see some Rome places and tourist places. So yeah. stirring some coffee. That's the menu, guys. So cute. And this is the view. Yeah, so that's what we decided to do. The music is quite loud. But yeah, in the morning my face looks like so puffy. And I just feel like, I've done just the moisturizer and sunscreen because they have a little bit of sun here. Overall, it's good. Like, people are so friendly here because it's a tiny village. And this is so beautiful. The view in front of me and the place, the venue, which I'm looking at.
Hey,
And
buongiorno, ragazzi. Come stai? Hey.
Tutto bene?
Posto.
Pasta. So we just ordered some coffee. Let me show you. I don't know, the light, or maybe it's
My visibility, I set it lower.
yeah,
But just the visibility of the screen.
not the cam, right? Can't see what I'm recording, but yeah, whatever. Having the first coffee of our day. Second, actually. First we had it in like an espresso. You had an espresso in the hotel, and yeah. So I was just saying that we just have one location that we are gonna go today.
Mic is off.
Is on. Hello. And tomorrow we are just gonna do the Zoom video and finalize the tasting menu if we are finalizing that menu. And tomorrow we leave for Rome.
Yeah.
So that's the plan, guys. This is so beautiful. Like this village or city or whatever we are in is so like beautiful. People are so friendly here. But of course they'll think like we are foreigners, like we are just coming here. Right? It is what it is. We don't want to go into detail, but we. So I like this venue, and next, let's see. I was actually interested on the second venue, so I have high hopes with them. Where we are gonna go this afternoon, so we're gonna go there, and yeah, let's see. Maybe that one wins. Cool. See you guys. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno a tutti.
We are in Tapolin. So all the locations we went, we weren't allowed to shoot, and we doesn't want to show you the details because we don't know which one we are going for. But physically, the one which we saw, the first and the second, both of them were amazing. So we are just gonna finalize and share you the details. Can you take my picture in my phone, please?
Of course.
Just take a picture. Is it on?
This is vlogging. This is picturing. Just for you guys to see what I'm dealing with. Perfect.
Let's go. You can vlog yourself as well, Baba. Give me my phone.
I know I can vlog myself.
Oh, it says no picture.
No access, actually.
Okay, so let's go on this one, and then we see the garden, okay? The garden is beautiful. We want to love it. So so much history, memories. Can you imagine a tiny little space from here? This way. Oh, it's a stop only. Let's go. So much history in this place. Can you imagine? Let's go. So the second venue we saw was more about this kind of artistry and big living spaces. But the only thing was that there was only one hall where we can host the event, and rest everything was out. So for us, the main concern was to do the decoration outside and the food and everything, but the major part was the decoration. So when you have such a huge hall, it's just going to be utilized only for one function, and rest everything would have been done outside. And we are not sure if it's going to be raining during that month that we are deciding. So yeah, we are still thinking, but guys, the view, I must say. So this one is Villa d'Este, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's D/ESCE. Is was in the mid 16th century. The villa is like outstanding example of Renaissance architecture. The steps, yeah.
Ready. That's the fountain that we're seeing from the top.
So I told Yunus that that we are gonna go at a place. So let's go hurry up in the afternoon because we were viewing the places. And he was like, I don't think so. We should go at around 4 o'clock. Let's go around in the evening. And it's so scary because it's literally a different village, which is called Tivoli. And he was like, let's go in the evening and check out the place. And I said like, yeah, but we can't go in the evening because the place is shutting down. So he was like, it's fine. The place is shutting down. We'll do it next time. And I said, no, there is no next time. And now when he sees the place, he's like, you never told me it's this pretty, you know? Duh.
It's amazing.
I mean, come on, guys. You have to see the view. It's the best place that you have to check out. Even from Rome, people come here for a day or two to just spend a night. Just look at the view, guys. It's just amazing. And I told him to, let me show you actually. So that's the space, guys. And it's like a private villa. It's like a private villa where everyone comes to see this lovely space. And it's water around, it's flowers, it's gardening. Too much to see. I mean, I would suggest everybody to come here, and especially when it's off season, so you can take some good pictures and videos alone, you know. So yeah, look how picturesque it is. I mean, I can't imagine like people getting married. It literally have like a pre-wedding shoot here, you know. I love it. Let me go quick and show you. Look, guys, you need to see. I'm putting the camera. Look, waterfall. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's just so pretty. So pretty. Due cappuccino. He's wearing a cap of when in Rome. So sleepy. Face. Por favore. Por favore. Due cappuccino, por favore.
Buongiorno a tutti, anche ai poveri.
Yeah, nuts. A lady is taking me on a hike this morning when we are leaving from Rome from the wedding location. Oh my god. We are leaving to Rome from the wedding venue location. And just look at this, guys. This is like endless hiking. It's just so beautiful. Like, I mean, I don't know like why Italian like young generation, I understand because they have lived here for the rest of their life. That's why they want to go into other cities and explore themselves, you know, which is right. I mean, this would have been my retired place as well if I would have born here. I mean, can't go wrong for sure. The love of my life. Hello. So now we are gonna leave for Rome, and Rome stories are gonna be continuing soon. Yeah. But guys, all you have to do is subscribe, comment, and share. We would love to hear your stories.